What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, Miata. I promised some more stuff on the Miata, so that's what we're gonna do. I've got these bacon strip side skirts to go on. So that's what we're gonna do because it's looking a little weak on the sides. We got these aggressive flares, the aggressive lip. We need some skirts. And I also have a rear hardtop spoiler to go on. So I'm gonna focus on doing that today, and hopefully we'll get through it because I don't have a lot of time. But I thought with the spare time that I do have, we're gonna try. So yeah, let's get to it.
Oh, I can't forget myself. The peace that
No way, I've come like 10 mil.
that I'm missing, it kills me inside. I need help, oh please give me back this one pump.
Alright, so that actually turned out pretty good. I still need to go through and tack up a couple places, but these are fiberglass, so there's not a lot of bend in them. So I wanted that edge to line up with that. So there's a little gap there, but you don't really see it when you're looking down at it. So I'm okay with that. Other than that, there was 2 bolts here that held the fender on that I was able to reuse. And then there was 3 in the back from where I believe, I don't know if it's factory like that, but the patch that was put on this. So obviously all the old rust was cut out, and then there was a new chunk of metal put in. Oh, jeez. New chunk of metal put in here. So there was some screws there there were some screws there that I was able to reuse. So I'm gonna go through and put maybe 1, 2, 3 in the middle to stop it from bowing, and this side will be done. But it really adds a nice kind of character to the side. Makes it makes it look a little bit lower, but obviously it's not adding hardly anything at all. Actually, no, it's not adding anything at all. So I'm gonna tack that in and then get to the other side. But man, I'm happy I got these.
Run away, run away, run away, run away.
And I really like those. It's definitely one of those mods that, you know, it can be forgotten about, but it does make a really good difference, a really big difference on the profile of the car and just how it works with the body lines. Oh man, that looks so good. So I'm just gonna do some more tinkering around. I might get to painting the little lip for the trunk, the hardtop, sorry. So I might do that, or I might just tinker around in the engine bay. I got a few things to do. I'll show you what I just did. Oh yeah, that's good, right? Just a good old Rockstar can. Just a little heat shield. So, and then I got my license plate heat shield. So, if you guys aren't familiar with it, here's the engine bay. Nothing crazy. It definitely needs to be cleaned up. There's wires everywhere. It's dirty. But it's turboed. Makes cool noises. Doesn't really go fast, but it's fun. And now it looks good. Got the flares, the skirts, the front lip. Oh, she's looking good. So it's done, and it looks great, and the car's running great, and I'm really happy with that. So there's a little update on the Miata, guys. It's been a while, but it has been fun. So thanks for watching. Click back for another one, and we're gonna be doing some more work to the Miata. So tune back in, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Peace.